Alright, let's convert an image on your Mac using the handy Convert Image Quick Action in Finder. It's quick and built right into macOS. Here's how to do it. Find the image you want to convert. Right-click or two-finger tap on a trackpad, the image file. A menu pops up. Locate Quick Actions, then Convert Image from the submenu. A small window appears. Choose your desired format from the drop-down, JPEG, PNG, or HEIF. JPEG is great for smaller files, PNG for transparency, HEIF for high efficiency, common on iPhones. The image size. You can also pick a size such as actual size, small, medium, large. Smaller sizes reduce file size but may lower quality. The preserve metadata. Check this box if you want to keep details like location or camera info. Uncheck for privacy. Click the blue button Convert to Format. The newly created file will appear next to the original file. Done. Your converted image is ready. And that's how you convert an image on your Mac with just a right click. Super quick, no extra apps needed. Now you've got your image in the perfect format. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.